Bhutta bhuttya praliyate. This is the nature, this material nature is like that. Just like you have seen one lamp, it is extinguished, one it is light. Similarly, there is creation, there is maintenance, and there is annihilation of this material world. Now, these three functions are controlled by three gunavata, qualitative incarnation of the Supreme Lord. What are they? The Vishnu is the incarnation of the modes of goodness, and Shiva is the incarnation of the modes of annihilation, and Brahma is the in charge. Brahma is secondary. Brahma is the secondary creator. First of all, everything is the principle, the material principle, ingredients, and the gunas, and everything is created by Vishnu. Then the secondary creation, with those ingredients, all this planetary system, everything is created by Brahma. So Brahma is also a secondary creator. And then Vishnu maintains. Just like to a carpenter, you give wood and planks and materials and screw and other things, and the carpenter makes a very good cabinet, and you maintain that. Similarly, this Brahmanda, the secondary creation is Brahma, and Vishnu is the maintainer, and when it is to be destroyed, it is destroyed by Lord Shiva. These three gunavata. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Tar, gunavata. They are incarnations of Krishna's guna. So in other words, it is to be understood that these three gunas, they are also coming from Krishna. Three gunas. So therefore, for Krishna, there is no such distinction. Several times, yes, I have explained this thing, but this material, spiritual, or the qualitative differences, that is for us, not for Krishna. How it is? Just like government has got different departments. There is a criminal department, civil department, and this department, that department, so many departments. Now, for us, the criminal department may not be so pleasing, or civil department may be very much pleasing, but for the government, both the departments are equal, because they have to maintain equally, either criminal department or the civil department. The government has no distinction that this is criminal department, therefore this department should be neglected, or it is inferior. No. Rather, in criminal department, the government may spend more than civil department. Similarly, these distinction, this qualitative distinction, matter, spirit, and the different kinds of modes, they are distinction for us, not for Krishna. He is absolute. He is absolute. To the absolute, there is no such distinction. Therefore, when Krishna comes, when Krishna comes in this material, he is not affected by this. Suppose the minister, the secretary of the president, goes to the criminal department to see the prison house, and he is not affected by the prison rules. It is simple to understand. If the prisoner thinks, he is also one of the prisoners, because he has come here. This is nonsense. He is not Krishna. Similarly, when Krishna comes in this material world, if a foolish man thinks that he is also one of us, he is foolish number one. Therefore in the Bhagavad Gita it is stated, Avajananti mangamurha manasim tanuvas. Foolish person, they think that I am one of them. And these examples are very nice, we can understand. So, here it is stated that the Vishnu, Brahma Vishnu Shivitar Gunavatar Sisti Sthiti Playa Tinedadika. Hiranna Garbha Antajjami Garbhodakshai Sahasra Shishadi Kari Vede Jaragai. In the Vedas, there is a prayer, Sahasra Shisha. That is very famous prayer. That prayer is offered to this Vishnu. Which Vishnu? The Garbhodakshai Vishnu. The Vishnu who has entered in every universe. That Garbhodakshai Vishnu. এই দ্বিতীয় পুরুষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ডের ঈশ্বর মায়ার আশ্রয় হয় তবু মায়া পাপ. Although this Vishnu is the center of the material energy, still he has nothing to do with this material energy. He is free from the contamination of material energy. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is a verse, Apasat Purusham Purnam Mayancha Jat Apasrayam. When Vyasdev he was just attempting to write Srimad Bhagavatam by Bhakti Yoga, he saw two things. Apasat Purusham Purnam. He saw the Supreme Personality and the material energy Apasrayam, just far away from him. Because this Maya's task is very thankless task. Maya's task is very thankless task because she is in charge of these conditioned souls, and her business is to give all the conditioned souls always miseries. Trishul, you have seen in the hand, you might not have seen, but there is a picture of Durga. She has got three Trishul. Trishul means three kinds of miseries. So the Maya, this material nature, is inflicting upon the conditioned soul always three kinds of miseries, so that they can come to their Krishna consciousness. But the conditioned souls are so foolish and so dull, they have accepted all these miseries as very palatable. They have no sense that they are always in three kinds of miseries. Adhyati, Adibhautik, Adidaivi. This is constantly going on. Just like in the prison house, when the prisoners are there, it is not meant that they should be comfortably situated there. The prison house meant for giving them always some trouble so that they can come to their consciousness that we have broken, we are lawbreakers, therefore we are punished here. But if the prisoner becomes so full that all right, don't care for this prison, let me finish this task and again commit nuisance and again come to this, that is going on. So, gata gatang kama kama lavante. So the conditioned souls, they are not coming to the sense that what is their position. This position, by the grace of some special representative of the Supreme Lord or by the Supreme Lord, is offered to this conditioned soul that this is not your place. You are part and parcel of God. Your place is in the kingdom of God. Your place is there. You are manasasthani indriyani prakritistani karshati. You are struggling very hard within this material nature. Just try to understand your position. So, these things are described in the scriptures, in the Vedas. so that these foolish conditioned souls may come to their senses and try to become Krishna conscious and make their life successful so that they can go back to home, back to God. Thank you.
Thank you.